Hi, welcome to my channel. Great Teacher Rico and welcome to my channel. So tuturo ko sa inyo ngayon ang basic na trig identity na tutulong sa inyo paano mag-solve ng equation for advanced math, lalo na pag calculus, which is needed for trig identity talaga. Basic, tawag dito is basic trig identity. So, simula siya sa punot dulo na sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. So, dun siya nagsisimula. So, para magkaroon siya sa pang trig identity, i-transpose mo lang kahit sino dito. Pero, sige, example natin na itong cosine muna ito. Pag tinranspose mo to dito sa right hand side, magiging siyang sine squared equals 1 cosine squared. Kapag tinranspose mo to sa kanan right hand side yung sine squared, magiging siyang cosine equals 1 sine squared. So, yan ang trig na identity through transpose. So, meron pa ako isa pa through division. So, ito na, transpose, ito naman ang isa pang trig identity through division. Pag divide ka through sine squared, o together sine squared, sa equation na to, magiging siyang 1 plus cotangent squared ma-equals cosecant squared. So, yan. Through division ng sine squared, ayan ang result, 1 plus cotangent squared equals cosecant squared. So, pag sa cosine naman, ganito. So, didivide natin sa cosine lahat ng buong equation. So, siyang tangent squared plus 1 equals secant squared. So, nakikita niyo na through division of cosecant squared, as result niya is tangent squared plus 1 cosecant squared. So, dito na natatapos yung basic trig identity. So, for recap, so, pag tinranspose po itong cosine sa main trig identity, ito na sine squared equals 1 minus cosine squared, tapos same din but through sine, cosine squared equals 1 minus sine squared. So, ito through division through sine is 1 plus cotangent squared equals cosecant squared. And lastly, through cosine division is tangent squared plus 1 cosecant squared. So, that's it for all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Teacher Nico for more videos and have a nice day.